awesome job on your puzzle picture in Microsoft Excel. So have you figured out what it is? It's a gingerbread house. So a gingerbread house needs a gingerbread man or a gingerbread girl. So we are going to find a picture and place it right here in the doorway of our house. Okay, this is how we're going to do it. We're going to take our mouse and go up to Insert. We're going to click once on this Insert tab, and it will change all of our tools. And once we're on the Insert tab, we see Clip Art very close to Insert. It's right below it, a little bit to the right. We're going to click on Clip Art. When we click on Clip Art, we are going to see this window pop up. Now, friends, you probably won't have anything typed there yet, and so you could see nothing or maybe some random pictures. But what you're going to have to do is type in this box. We call it a field, the search for field. We're going to type in GINGERBREAD, one space, and then we could type boy or girl. I'm going to type girl, and I'm going to click on go. This is very important. It's also very important to make sure there's a check mark right there. If there isn't, you are not going to get pictures and you're going to be disappointed. So make sure this box is checked. And I just clicked go. And now it is searching for gingerbread girls for me. Ooh, that one's fun. Oh, there's a lot of fun choices here. I'm clicking and scrolling down through the list, the library of all the gingerbread girl pictures, and I like this one. I'm going to click this Clip Art once. Click, and there it is. It doesn't put it exactly where we want, and it might be really big, really small. You never know what kind of size you're going to get. So, first of all, mouse in the middle to move. Put your mouse basically on the tummy of the gingerbread boy or girl, and when you click your left button and hold it down, you are dragging that picture where you want. So let's say we put it right about here. Now it's clearly too big. Okay, but that's okay. I'm going to scroll up a little bit. Now this is important. When you adjust the size of the picture, you can only do it on the four corners. Click here or here. That's a corner. This is a corner. And this is a corner. You guys, it might not fit in the door exactly. That's fine. I'm going to grab it from this corner. I'm holding my left button and not letting it go. And I'm going to make it about that size. Now mouse in the middle to move. I know it's a little bigger than my doorway. That's fine. It could be a little bigger or a little smaller for that matter. Okay, let's see, I might make her a little bit smaller. Remember, I'm grabbing her by a corner to adjust her size, but mouse in the middle to move, and voila, my gingerbread girl is right where she belongs.